Hey, Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we're gonna make the sketch, and I'm gonna teach you how to do that. It's an 8 centimeter circle, okay? And this line from here till here is also 8 centimeter. This entire line, straight line, is of 12 centimeter, and the distance from this place to this is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so let's start the sketch.
So the next step is going to be how I'm going to make the nose. From here I'm going to go forward, okay, and from this place I'm going to make this kind of line, okay. Just do it roughly. What's going to be the next step? I'm going to go down and I'm going to make the lips. So this place will be for the lips. You can see how roughly I'm doing it. I'm trying to tally the lips from this place, and next step I'm gonna make the lips just like that, okay, and just gonna go straight like this, and from here I'm gonna make this line, okay. So first of all we need to know where are the actual points. So I'm gonna make this chin part, okay, this is for the chin, and over here I'm gonna write A alphabet. You can see A, I'm writing down like this over here. And so what's gonna be the next step? I'm gonna draw I almost over here near this position, just like this. I'm gonna write down A. You can see it's A alphabet. And what's gonna be the next step? I'm just simply drawing the line over here like this. That's it. Our face is complete. Let's try to complete the entire face. So what's gonna be the next step? From here you can see the straight line is going downward, and where's the scale? You can see I'm gonna draw a straight line going down, and from here I'm gonna make the line for the neck. So this portion will be for the neck. So let's try to complete the sketch. So I'm gonna make the hair portion right now, and it's gonna reach at this area, okay. From here I'm gonna go down, let's try to complete our entire sketch. Be nice with your sketch, be gentle, and I hope you guys can see it.
So let me complete the entire sketch. From here I'm gonna make the line, and I'm gonna make the eyebrows, okay. I'm gonna make the nostrils. Remember girls, nostrils are really, small in size. Just like this. That's it. Oops. Okay. So I'm going to do a little bit shading near this lips. And I'm going to complete the lips. near this area, I'm gonna make her chin. I'm gonna do a little bit shading down there. I'm trying to make sure that her hair's gonna be in this location. Okay. Don't need to rush. I simply make the eyebrows and just do a little bit shading. Okay. I'm gonna make this portion dark. So the entire sketch is complete. All you need to do is now shading. Just don't put too much pressure on the paper. Just simply start shading the area very lightly. Now I'm gonna use the blender.
So these are the blender. You can use any size of blender in the sketching. Be careful while blending the pencil shades. You can use the tissue paper as well for blending. There's a tissue paper, okay? I'm gonna tear it, fold it, and just start blending like this, okay? It's also gonna work exactly like a blender. So it's really easy. If you can use the blender, tissue paper both at the same time for the combination. You can see how easily I just blend the entire face. I'm gonna put some pressure because there's already lead shade on this blender, so I'm gonna smudge it. I'm gonna put some pressure to put dark shade. I'm gonna use it on chin. Okay, I need to dark. I'm gonna put some dark shades over there. And make sure I'm gonna raise a little bit from here. Okay. And now you can see how nicely I put the shade. You don't need to rush. All you need to do is believe in yourself while sketching, okay? I'm gonna make her hairs. like this. I'm gonna make a neck part. Make each stroke like this, curvy stroke. I think the light is shining because of the light.